As a homeowner in Bel Air, maintaining the beauty and functionality of your property is crucial, but so is improving its energy efficiency. One of the most impactful ways to enhance your home's energy performance is by installing energy-efficient windows. Given Bel Air's diverse climate, ranging from warm summers to cooler winters, energy-efficient windows are not just an upgrade. They're an essential investment for any homeowner looking to save on energy bills, increase comfort, and make a positive environmental impact. Reduce energy costs. One of the most immediate benefits of energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy costs. Bel Air, like many Southern California neighborhoods, experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year. During the hot summer months, your air conditioning system works overtime to keep your home cool, while in the winter, heating systems help maintain warmth. Traditional windows, especially older ones, allow air to escape, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder and consume more energy. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technology, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas-filled spaces between panes, which help keep the temperature inside your home stable. By minimizing the loss of heated or cooled air, these windows significantly reduce your home's energy usage, leading to lower utility bills. Over time, the savings can add up, making the initial investment in energy-efficient windows well worth it. Improve indoor comfort. Aside from saving money, energy-efficient windows provide a more comfortable living environment. During hot summer days in Bel Air, the sun's rays can make your home uncomfortably warm, even with air conditioning. Standard windows allow much of the sun's heat to penetrate, making it harder to cool your home efficiently. On the flip side, during the colder months, heat can escape through inefficient windows, causing drafts and cold spots throughout your home. Energy-efficient windows help solve this issue by providing better insulation and reducing heat transfer. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, creating a more consistent indoor temperature. With energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy your Bel Air home year-round without the temperature fluctuations that can make your living space uncomfortable. Increase property value. In Bel Air, where homes are often luxury properties, adding energy-efficient windows can increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are increasingly interested in homes that not only look beautiful but are also energy efficient. Energy-efficient windows are considered a modern upgrade, and many homebuyers are willing to pay more for properties that offer lower utility bills and improved comfort. If you plan to sell your home in the future, installing energy-efficient windows can be a selling point. Buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home that promises long-term savings and environmental benefits. Additionally, energy-efficient windows enhance your home's curb appeal, which can make your property stand out in a competitive market like Bel Air. Reduce environmental impact. For environmentally conscious homeowners in Bel Air, energy-efficient windows are a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you're reducing the demand for electricity and gas, both of which have a direct impact on the environment. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows are made from sustainable materials, and some come with eco-friendly certifications, further contributing to a greener lifestyle. Installing energy-efficient windows not only helps you reduce your home's energy consumption but also plays a role in preserving the environment for future generations. Given the rising concern about climate change, homeowners who invest in energy-efficient solutions are making a positive contribution toward a more sustainable future. Noise reduction. Bel Air is a bustling, desirable neighborhood, and noise can sometimes be an issue, especially if your home is near a busy street or airport flight path. Energy-efficient windows, particularly those with multiple panes of glass, help block out external noise. This can be a significant benefit for homeowners who value peace and quiet, especially those who live in high-traffic areas. By reducing the amount of outdoor noise that enters your home, energy-efficient windows create a more serene and private living environment. Whether you're relaxing indoors or trying to get some rest, these windows can make a noticeable difference in the overall ambiance of your home. Long-term durability. Energy-efficient windows are built to last. The materials used in these windows are typically more durable than those in traditional windows, which means you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. The seals on energy-efficient windows are designed to remain intact for many years, ensuring continued insulation and energy savings. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows are low maintenance. They are designed to resist condensation, which can lead to mold and mildew, and their high-quality frames are resistant to weathering, reducing the need for frequent upkeep. Conclusion. For Bel Air homeowners, installing energy-efficient windows is a smart choice that pays off in both the short and long term. These windows help reduce energy costs, increase comfort, and add value to your property. They also contribute to a more sustainable environment and offer the added benefit of noise reduction. With all these advantages, it's clear why energy-efficient windows are an essential investment for any homeowner in Bel Air looking to improve their home's efficiency, comfort, and overall appeal. Whether you're looking to save money, enhance your living space, or increase your home's market value, energy-efficient windows are a win-win solution.